You already know how to make the prints. The 3D print shop's Filament and Cost Workbook is for the other half of the business. The true cost of every print, the filament you track by the gram, and the prices that finally pay you for your time. Start with a true print cost calculator. Enter a print's grams, its hours, and your rates, and it adds the lines most sellers skip. Material, electricity, machine wear, a failed print buffer, your labor, and packaging into a real cost, then suggests a wholesale and a retail price. Behind it is a filament and resin inventory that tracks every spool and bottle by the gram. Weigh a spool, enter the gross weight, and the remaining grams, the true cost per kilogram, and a reorder flag fill in for you, so you never lose a 14-hour print to a spool that ran dry. Then there's the cost line almost no one prices for, the printer itself. Your machine wears a little with every print hour, and the workbook turns its purchase price into a rate per hour. So replacing it someday is already built into what you charge. It works for every FDM and resin machine you own. Failed prints are not bad luck. They're a line item. A troubleshooting guide diagnoses 11 common failures, from spaghetti and layer shifts to warping and wet filament. And a log records the grams and hours each one cost, so your real failure rate replaces a guess. A print job queue keeps the shop moving, one row per job, from queued to shipped. And a maintenance log tracks nozzles, build surfaces, belts, and film by the print hours at service, so a part gets changed before it fails in the middle of a print. When it's time to price, one set of assumptions runs your whole catalog. Cost a model once and it stays costed. Change a spool price or your labor rate, and every price updates at once. And a custom quote is just the slicer's grams and hours away. It's a working Excel workbook with 5 print-ready guides. An instant download from Ardent Workshop. Know your real costs, charge for the machine, and price every print for a profit.